Here's a support chart. We can see that this is a penetration to just test the lower end of box one. Big boys are looking at a chart like this, and they are suggesting this might be a better place to take profits if short and if going long. Obviously, this is the zone they'll want to enter into. Anybody that's trading looking for a retest of that prior area, we had the breakdown, right? Back to the gap area. We had that 90 to 92 this morning that we had talked about, making sure you're paid by that half gap area. So on a return trip, first time back, you want to make sure you're paid there as well. Scene of the crime, 92. And there's range type trading right now. And it's where we oftentimes will take a contra to the primary trade. If we can get back into a directional trade once it bounces, if we can buy a low and then try to flip and join the winning team for a few minutes, that's the preferred strategy. Because the first reaction, you're usually too low to just jump in and go with the flow. So if you can grab a couple points going up, and you can hit it coming back. So this chart right now is a big boy chart that's helping us to see that idea.